Hey, do you have curly hair like me? I'm sharing some of my favorite new products. Hey, welcome to my channel. I help women over 40 have fun with fashion and feel confident in their style. So one of the things that makes us feel confident is just getting the whole beauty thing right? Hair, makeup, skin, all of that coming together is such a key component. One of the things I always talk about is that you can be really casually dressed, almost sloppily dressed, and have your hair and makeup done and still look and feel a lot more polished than the reverse. If you have beautiful clothes but your hair and makeup are kind of a mess, you're never gonna look or feel your best, right? So today I'm gonna talk about curly hair, but not just curly hair, although most of these products are really formulated more or less specifically for curly hair, but for dry hair, for damaged hair, a lot of these are going to apply to you if you've just got a lot of hair and it requires some extra kid gloves to deal with it. You need a little extra TLC, a little extra moisture, and some specialty products. These are things that I have used and absolutely love and swear by. So I can't wait to share some of these new favorites with you. Some of them are brand new to my list. Some you may have heard about in previous videos because I have some standbys on here as well. So one of the first ones I want to talk about is the DaVincis. It's an Italian company, Love Hair Smoother. So they've got the shampoo and the conditioner and the hair smoother. That hair smoother is this like magical lavender potion that's like a cream serum hybrid. It's just amazing. It makes your hair smell beautiful, makes it feel beautiful, and it keeps it frizz-free, which is so key, especially for me with curly hair in Florida. That's just a miracle working product. So for years, I really felt like any shampoo and every shampoo essentially worked the same on my hair. I didn't buy a drying or stripping shampoo or anything like that, but I would just buy any decent quality moisturizing shampoo, and I never noticed the difference between one shampoo brand and another shampoo brand. There are only two shampoos that I've ever tried where I was like, wow, there's a difference. One is from a Japanese company called Canibo, and I don't even think that's available in the US anymore. I tried it like 20 years ago. And the other is the DaVincis Love shampoo. That is an incredible shampoo. When you wash your hair with it, you almost feel like you don't need to condition right afterwards. Your hair has that smoothness and that silkiness that my hair never has without conditioner. So I definitely recommend the whole line, but the smoother is a game changer as far as I'm concerned. So all of the DaVincis products are just beautifully made. They're a little bit more high-end, but I highly recommend it if you want to invest in just a really good hair product. Okay, the next product I want to recommend, you may have heard me mention in the past, is the Aquaj Biomega Behave Smoothing Elixir. This is a great go-to product for my daughter steals this, my 12-year-old, a lot. It's a great go-to product for just eliminating that surface frizz that you can have in your hair, putting some shine and some bounce back into your hair. So I use this, on in between days and for touch-ups. It's not sticky. It doesn't smell strong. It's just really pleasant to use, and it really does the trick of just eliminating that surface frizz and kind of bringing your hair back to life. So that's the Behave Smoothing Elixir. Okay, another favorite of mine is the the Control Freak from Bedhead. So TG Bedhead has been one of my favorite hair care lines forever, and their names are amazing. Some of their product names are hilarious, but Control Freak, in my opinion, is one of the best serums ever created for curly hair. It's so easy to use. It's so pleasant. It's pretty affordable. This bottle, I think, is $9 for 5 ounces or something, but it lasts a long time. It's really nice to use, and it just really helps your hair stay calm and frizz-free regardless of the weather. So the TG Control Freak is something that I've been going back to over the years. I'll try other serums and then I end up going back to that one because it's just that good. It's just a reliable product. I really like the TG Bedhead line in general. They have some really good products. My daughter they have a product called Moisture Maniac that she's kind of obsessing over right now that we kind of happen to pick up randomly at Marshall's, but nothing like the Control Freak if you've got curly or frizz-prone hair. So I love that. Okay, a couple of these other products I actually want to show you because I'm so excited about them and I have them with me. One is from Inner Sense. So Inner Sense kindly sent me a couple of products to try. If you're not familiar with them, it's a completely green, organic hair care line, and I think their focus is curly hair. Correct me if I'm wrong, Inner Sense, but I'll post the details about them below. But it's just a really clean line, and it focuses on clean and effective hair care and just the experience of caring for yourself and self-care and all of that. And I love their whole kind of feel. So this hydrating hair mask from Inner Sense is incredible. It says repairs and revitalizes dry, coarse, damaged hair. So again, you don't have to have curly hair to use this. If you've got dry hair, it's a game changer. You put it on. I like to put it on, and on a day when I'm going to be around the house, I'll put my hair in a bun, and just let the hair mask stay in as long as I can. And when I go to rinse it, my hair feels silky. And that's saying a lot because I don't really have silky hair, but it just really, really makes it soft and smooth. And then for like a couple of weeks afterwards, you notice that your hair behaves differently. It's just much more manageable and much less frizz prone than before you use this. So I definitely recommend their the Inner Sense hydrating hair mask. The other product that they sent me, you can tell these are straight from my bathroom. This is the Quiet Calm Curl Control. So it says a styling cream to shape and define curls. This is a really effective hair cream. One of the challenges with a hair cream is that sometimes they're just not hydrating or thick or moisturizing enough to really penetrate that surface frizz and get your hair back to life and kind of bring the shine and bring the bounce back to your curl. But this product absolutely does that. It brings the curl back to life, makes your hair shiny, makes it smooth, makes it beautiful, and it's just super, super effective. So I love the Inner Sense Quiet Calm Curl Control. Who couldn't use some quiet calm in their life, right? So absolutely love that. Okay. All of these products are going to be featured in my hair catalog that's below. There's a whole section for curly hair, and all of these are in that place, as well as other products that have gotten really, really good reviews that I've done a lot of research on for curly hair, but that I haven't necessarily tried myself. Everything I've mentioned today, I've tried and I use on a regular basis. Okay, the other product you guys have heard me talk about, my love. This was in my Target Beauty Finds video, I think. The raw sugar line at Target, especially the lemon scent, is just my favorite. They have Bath and Body and all the yummy stuff for kind of a spa treatment at home. But the Mighty Curls is just incredible. It's an intensely hydrating hair mask, and I'm just going to show you what this looks like. It's just awesome. It's like, I don't know, it's like a sorbet texture. It's light and yummy. This is like my 4th tub, so just to give you an idea of how kind of obsessed I am with this stuff. It smells really good. It's got great clean ingredients in it. Papaya butter, coconut, and hemp seed oil. And it's pleasant to use. I also sometimes will use this as a leave-in, and it works really, really well as a leave-in. So if you have really curly, really thick hair like I do, then just using a regular, very hydrating conditioner as a leave-in conditioner can be a great option. The leave-in conditioners that have been on the market for years, they don't work for me. They're not thick enough, they're not hydrating enough, they're not rich enough, but a regular conditioner left in as a leave-in conditioner has always worked so much better. So I highly recommend the Raw Sugar Mighty Curls. Okay, this product has changed my life. I'm not ashamed to say it. This is from Lula Rose. It's the Swerve U-Pin. And I'm going to show you, there's a little clip here of me putting it into my hair. In a split second, I went from having full puffy hair to being able to just very quickly put my hair in a bun. The amazing thing is that 24 hours later, my hair was still in a bun. 24 hours later, like crazy, amazing hold. So for those of us who struggle to put our hair up without getting a headache or finding something that's really going to hold all of your hair in place, this is incredible. So rainy days now, just as a preemptive measure, before I even let my hair get frizzy, I will put it in a bun, stick this through the bun, and my hair will stay. It'll stay through I can sleep on it. I can run around in the rain. Like I said, 24 hours later, no matter what I've done, my hair is still in place. It's miraculous. It's also really comfortable to use. You don't feel a lot of that pressure on the back of your head because it really holds your hair up, and I just love it. I know that this comes in different finishes, different metals. They sent me this, so thank you, Lula Rose and Paula Ram, for sending me this. But I have a couple of these, and I just absolutely love them. So very, very effective for curly hair. Honestly, anybody whose hair is really thick, who has a hard time containing all that hair in a little ponytail holder. It's not going up, not being held the way that you want it to. Also from Lula Rose, these beautiful clips that are, I call them like figure 8 clips. I don't know the official name, but they're all in my catalog below, so you can find them there. But I absolutely love these. I first discovered these years ago at a homeschool conference, believe it or not. And my friend and I, who also has curly hair, we were like, that's awesome. So these are really, really good for pulling your hair back, giving it some getting it out of your eyes, giving it some control. You just basically put this on the back of your head and you loop it through, and it really, really holds. Amazingly, something like this can hold all of my hair back. It's incredible because they are bendable, so they really hold a lot of hair. I have put my hair in a low ponytail with just one of these, and they're incredible. They come in different sizes, so you've got options making them smaller or bigger depending on how much hair you have, but I love those Lula Rose hair accessories for heavy hair, curly hair, thick hair, any hair that's kind of hard to contain. They do the trick, and they're just amazing. So I hope that you enjoyed my little roundup of the latest discoveries, some tried and true, and some of my latest discoveries for curly hair. These are products that have really made a huge difference in my life. For those of you who have curly hair, kind of runs the show, can kind of control your mood or your day, and you decide what to do and what not to do based on whether or not it's going to mess up your hair. Maybe that's just me, but if it's raining outside, or if it's really humid, I just know it's not going to be a great day for my hair, and therefore not a great day for me and my family. But anyway, if anyone else has curly hair, I want to know what your favorite products are. Let me know in the comments below. Also, don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video. The little notification bell lets you know when I upload new videos every Tuesday and every Friday. And of course, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. It means so much to me. Thank you, thank you, thank you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.